Okay, so I attempted to make a recording, but my video program decided it wanted to shut down. Thank you, technology. Anywho, so I've assembled the fuel pump here, and it's got a nice fuel pump. I've chosen to just reuse the same old strainer. I'm probably going to regret it later, but I'm poor, so sometimes you got to make that sacrifice. It don't look bad. I don't think it's congested or anything, so we're just going to plop that back on there. I didn't even clean it. So I'll regret it later, perhaps, and I'll just have to beat myself up over it when that happens. But anywho, I've decided that since I have all this leftover petroleum jelly from when my son was a child, we would put that on his bottom and seemed to never have any diaper rash. Worked out pretty good. We didn't use any of all the other creams and stuff. We just used very simple product, been used for many years. Never had any trouble, worked out great. But I've got all of this left over, and since it seemingly has an expiration date, imagine that, I've decided that I'm going to figure out ways that I can use it. And y'all can tell me later in the comment section if y'all think that perhaps that was not a great idea, but I just think that maybe putting a little bit on the seal up here will kind of maintain its pliability. I'm not replacing the seal. It's still the same 17-year-old one that came on the original fuel pump, and it's actually in very good condition. I mean, it's almost brand new. But just like when you're changing your oil filter, you want to put a little bit of oil on the ring. I think maybe this will help out, help it seal a little bit, won't bake on. Not that it's going to get hot, but can't hurt, right? But if y'all find any reason why it's probably not a good idea, let me know, and I would love to have a discussion about it, because I'm all about learning. I know everything in the world there is to know, of course, but it never hurts to get new ideas. So anywho, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the jelly around this ring, and I'm going to set it down in that hole and torque it down and see if I fixed the problem. Probably going to be disappointed, but at least I'll have a new fuel pump, and this one's lasted for 17 years. It can't hurt to change it out for $100. Not a bad idea. Probably a lot of other stuff on this truck that needs to just go ahead and change it out as some preventative maintenance, but we'll see. We'll report back at you. Thanks for watching.